Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
I have this kind of like frozen shoulder condition. Okay. Yeah, I cannot
Lift it up.
Too far, to the side, to the back and behind.
How long this been going on?
For about 5 months, I would say. Yeah, last
5 months.
Mm-hmm.
Did you have any injury or falls or accidents or just happened random?
No, okay. Nothing. Yeah. It just happened one morning.
Yeah, you just woke up with the frozen shoulder.
Well, it was not like immediately, but it developed pretty quick, I would say, within a couple of weeks probably. Yeah.
So for the last 5 months, what kind of treatment did you have?
I did manual kind of like
physical
therapy. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're trying to release muscle tightness around.
Yeah, and so you did exercises too.
Yeah, did some stretching exercises. Yeah,
so I want to see the range of motion that aggravated, and tell me from 0 to 10 how much pain.
Okay.
So let's do this. Can you do this?
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's very tight in here. You can lift this up. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do this. Bring it back and turn around. We'll have you stand up and facing me.
Okay.
This way. So you can see the difference. This is going up. This is just stuck in here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So thumb up and bring it all the way up. Face the camera. Okay. So I'm gonna measure your shoulders actually. But thumb up here and bring it up. Okay. So that's almost like 90 degrees here.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much pain did you feel with that? From 0 to 10?
6, 7.
6, 7.
At this point. Yeah.
So which motion was like the most painful motion?
To me, I suffer from this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably mostly because I don't do that.
You don't lift it up.
Yeah. Because that's enough for me.
Yeah.
To do things like that. But when I try to put my clothes on,
you feel more pain.
When I try to do that kind of motion from here.
Yes. Okay. So shoulder flexion is 132. Oops, sorry. There you go. It's 132. Shoulder abduction. So this is like 85. 85 here underneath. Okay.
Rotation. Rotation.
Rotation, external rotation.
That's the worst.
Yeah, so external rotation will get this view. That's as far as you can go. So you see external.
It might be.
So he is like 15 degrees external rotation here. Okay. Internal rotation, so you're gonna. So that's about 37. Okay. So you really, that's a scar tissue.
Yeah. I have a lot of those.
You have a lot in here or everywhere?
I don't know. On the shoulder, especially.
Make sure this is not painful, okay?
Okay.
So how long you had physical therapy for? How long?
Working on that particular issue, starting from like 4 or 5 months.
For 4 or 5 months? Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, and the only difference I can feel is that, as I said, I don't have those like excruciating pains shooting through the whole hand.
But your range of motion is still the same.
Pretty much.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Yeah, sometimes it kind of works right after the session. I kind of have this thing restored, but then it kind of goes back.
Have a lot of scar tissue. I will show you the scar tissue actually. How's that? Look at this. You see that?
Yeah, I can
that's
see.
Nice, beautiful. That's better. Thumb up, and that was like 85 degrees. Let's bring it up. Look at this. You're over 100 now, 120, 20 something.
I can feel like there is something happening there.
Can you tell the difference?
This one, not that much, actually. Yeah.
My expectation, the flexion and abduction gonna come first before this. This is the last one.
Mhm.
So
What's next?
we're gonna get this like as far as you can. Look at that. It's not bad. Let's do the side again. And tell me, where do you feel the tightness? Where? All in the back with those motions?
And this one?
And
On the
this
kind
one?
of side.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of
In the front?
on the front. Yeah, probably the same area. Kind of.
Okay.
Like, it's kind of like capturing some.
If it's a mild inflammation, we should get you more range of motion now after using the Magna Heal for a few minutes. So we're gonna know how bad is your inflammation in your shoulder. But you were not able to do this for 5 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hitting the nail, trying to hammer the nail, and I'm sitting for a long time. And then when I try to stand up and stand still, I cannot actually.
Straight your back.
Yeah, it's kind of like I'm
Stiff.
Yeah, I'm stiff and so it takes me.
We're gonna review the numbers and we'll write the new numbers next week. So flexion was 130.
32.
Sorry. Okay. So let's do the flexion again. All the way. Okay. Okay, so the flexion is 150. Abduction was 85. Okay, so abduction 85 was, now it's 140.
Yay!
External rotation
15.
15. This is the range of motion I expect is going to be the last, but we'll try it. Okay, bring it back. So this is 20. Internal rotation.
37.
How much?
37.
37. Okay. Relax, relax. Okay, so that is 50. 52. Okay, so and we'll do the abduction. Do this range of motion. And the backward. Okay, how's that? Can you tell any difference? You had physical therapy for 4 or 5 months. Can you tell the difference between ASTR and what you had before?
Yeah, I can tell. It's
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
And changes the picture quite dramatically.
Yeah. Right, Philip. So tell me, today is your third visit,
Right.
ASTR treatment. So can you give me updates? How do you feel, and what do you think about the treatment for your frozen shoulder?
Well, I mean, I definitely have improvements on the range of motion.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, some are still kind of like not perfect,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, the flexion and abduction, it was really,
Improvement.
yeah, a great improvement.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that thing kind of like works.
Yeah.
I guess I only wish I had a few more days, probably, or just to have a possibility to go in regularly
Yeah.
on those visits. So,
Yeah. So you had the frozen shoulder for 5 months, is that correct?
Yes, about 5 months.
About 5 months. And before coming and seeing me, how long did you see the physical therapist for?
For those 4 or 5 months.
For
yeah.
5 months, how many times a week?
Well, it's weekly, probably. Sometimes it's bi-weekly. Yeah, it depends on the schedule.
So total, how many visits you had it with the physical therapy on average?
So you can calculate probably about 20.
20 visits. So you had 20 visits before for frozen shoulder, for your shoulder. And can you tell the difference between those 20 visits and 3 visits of ASTR? What stood out for you?
Well, the effectiveness, of course. Yeah, I mean that's the probably the major factor that after those 3 visits here, I have those my range of motion back, on some of them.
So we're gonna take the range of motion again. So originally when we started, the flexion was 130. Okay. So we're gonna bring it back. Okay. So that was 130, 132 before. Okay. So now is about 155. Okay. So the abduction was 85. Okay. So let's do the abduction from the top. That was 85. So this one is, can you see this? It's 168. You see that? Okay. 168. Okay, so let's set up. All right. So what would you say for prospective patient about ASTR treatment? You came from Texas, so what do you think?
Well, I would definitely recommend this treatment because it's pain free. Compared to some of the techniques, when they're like those trigger points and then they press and they feel painful. So definitely it's something everybody has to try if they want to see the difference and improve their conditions. So I'm looking forward to seeing even further results when I work at home.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.